675 Caravan. This is what I'm gonna get when I hit the lotto. Except mine will probably have floats on it. I love that parrot on the tail. Yeah, buddy, she was making some noise when she came in. Had the prop feathered back. Had to come over and take a look at it. Where at? Back there? Let's go back there. Oop, I gotta move over. UPS is coming to ram me.
He's got a toolbox sitting out.
Yep.
That's a nice one.
Well, he might be working on something.
Yeah, getting rid of his toolbox.
Okay, there's my other favorite airplane, the Cardinal. Love the Cardinal. I used to have one of them. Oh, I know, I'm going over there. That's a Cirrus. Wow, look at all the nice airplanes. The Skylane. I might own one of them someday, possibly, but I don't know for sure. Love the Arrow too. That's an awesome plane. I'd jump in that one in a heartbeat. Pretty too. Holy smokes, nice paint. Is that a Seneca? I don't know what that was, but it's cool too. I just don't fly twins. Okay, we're at the business end of the runway. No planes coming though. And here we go, Summerland Key, FD51. Here's a hangar. I'm gonna whip in his driveway. $1 million buys this one. Just $1 million. Probably spend another $500,000 putting the house up on top of it. Says they got plans. Yellow one just got reduced to just under $1 million. But your plane goes in the yard here. That was right, just under $1 million. Now here's a cool airplane I've never seen before. Nice one. Wow, pretty. Like it. Just looks fast sitting there. Okay. Well, this might conclude my tour of the cool airplanes. There is a couple more down here though. We've got the Cherokee 6, which is right up there with my favorite. Just went by another twin in the garage. I don't think so. There's the Caravan. I wonder if it's the guy that belongs to it.
What?
I said I wonder if that's the people that belong to it. Bonanza. And the Cherokee 6. I like the Cherokee 6. Okay. I want to go back over here where you said. Okay, that was a lap around the track, lap around the airport.